Welcome back to the OpenAI Associate Developer course. In this session, we're going to discuss the style configuration property in the OpenAI Image Generation API call. Understanding this property is essential for ensuring that the images generated align with the desired aesthetic and visual tone for your specific project. The style property allows you to specify the artistic style of the generated images. This property is particularly useful for applications where the visual appeal and artistic direction of the images are critical to the user experience or the project's success. There are two options available for the style property: natural and vivid. Natural produces images that are more natural and less hyper-real looking. It is ideal for applications where a more subdued and realistic visual tone is desired, such as in nature illustrations or scenarios requiring a more lifelike appearance. Vivid is the default style setting and is designed to generate hyper-real and dramatic images. It leans towards creating visually striking and highly detailed images that are perfect for scenarios requiring a high level of visual impact. Let's jump back into our code and see how to set up and use the style configuration property. Back in our defs file, first be sure our image generation model is set to DALL-E 3, since this is the only image generation model that supports the style property. Next, we'll create the union variable we'll use for the style value and name the variable image style. This union will accept two values, natural and vivid, and we'll initialize it to vivid. Next, we'll add the style property to our OpenAI configurations object and use the image style variable as the style's property value. Go ahead and compile and run your application and notice the image generated. Next, set the style to natural and again compile and run your application to see the difference in the generated image. In summary, the style property is only supported by the DALL-E 3. The style property only supports the two options, natural and vivid. Which you choose can significantly affect the aesthetic and visual tone of the AI-generated images. By setting the style property to natural, you instruct the API to generate images with a more lifelike and realistic appearance. Conversely, if you want more visually striking and dramatic images, you can set the style property to vivid. That's all for now. In our next lessons, we'll continue to explore additional properties and techniques to optimize your interactions with the OpenAI Image Generation API. Stay tuned, and let's continue enhancing our AI-powered applications together.